MMM. A small cup of... That's terrifying. Buddy, there's a tiger eyeing you on the road. Be careful. Hey, get in the car. Look like this. Look, I'm going to get in the car. Ah, baby, this car has a yellow card. I'm scared. You're too calm. This car. There's someone in this car. There's someone. Too scary. Then, should we reverse? Look at the back. Can't we reverse a bit? He's walking towards him. Can you back up a little? No need to back up. It's okay. I see a tiger going over there. Oh my god. Scared me to death. Too scary. No, I found a tiger coming. It's going to rush ahead. Another tiger blocks it. They won't let them fight. What's going on? Oh my god. Wait a minute, wait for it to leave. Then we'll go. Look, staring at that black car. What if it suddenly... He didn't seem to be in the driver's seat just now. Did he jump over from the back of the passenger seat? I guess he was scared too. Okay. Look, I don't even have a car. How did I get from there to here? Can we start a fight? What are you doing? What are you doing? What am I doing? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Hey, what do you want to do? So easy to dismiss others? So frivolous with your words? What are you doing? What are you doing? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? What do you want? What do you want? Hey, what do you want? You're so aggressive when you hit others. Your mouth is so aggressive. There's an outdoor area outside the highway. How would I know if you want to hit him? Recently, blogger H. Ingzong team released a video. The video shows an Avatar 12 activated assisted driving on the highway. When passing a curve, the assisted driving did not follow the lane lines to turn. Instead, it drove straight into the truck escape lane. Pictures released by the blogger show. The front of the vehicle is already damaged. It doesn't feel like true love songs will last forever. Oh my god. How do you explain this? Look at this. This is too exaggerated. This creates a large area. Didn't die from the blood. Damn, a sedan. Be careful when driving. In the future, if there's an accident, who says no one is left? Oh. What do you want with that GRA? He said, take my air. Please, please. 2,000,003. Welcome, student of non-fake car. All around my side. My side, my side, my side. I just... 300, 300, 300, 300. Alright, just try to wrap another officer. Come back. What could I want to do? Going down. Good, stand by this. Stand by, you're around the circles. Stand by for crossfire. Bro foo. Stand by, stand by, stand. Bye bye. Fuck, stop, stop, ping. Shots fired. I'm sure. I should need help. I'll be there resting. We have a tenor. Okay, alright you guys. Ready, you approach pro moving. Moving far away. And don't move from now. Go. Later, I realized the world is vast. The incompetent people give. Replace it with a serious car. It's a little fierce. A little fierce. A little bit, a little bit, a little smaller. You're going to Gao Bay. It's a room by the river. You want the supermarket itself to be stuck to death. This... polish your heart. I must become a leading car. Bring my house behind.